There we have it. We went over a professional Python developer setup. Now you must be asking yourself, there's so many things that I want to do. I want to optimize my code editors, my terminal to have a certain look and feel. I want to have different extensions. There's so many extensions and plugins that you can take. But the beauty is that what you want and what you like evolves over time. And you'll have to customize your terminal or command prompt to different ways, different color schemes, having different tools available to you. You might prefer the lightness of code editors and keep things simple without having all that weight of something like an IDE, PyCharm, that takes a bit of time to get used to. That's why I personally like Sublime Text. Nice, really lightweight, and whenever I need a plugin or extension, I can install it and just use that. Or you might prefer using Jupyter Notebooks because it's a really great way to stay organized, take notes, and also run your small little code snippets, multiple code snippets in different cells. What you pick is up to you. My job was to show you the tools that are available and the tools that are being used by professional developers. But everybody's different. There's no right way, no right tool that is better than all the rest. So what I recommend is have your terminal or command prompt or PowerShell set up properly to your liking, and make sure that you get Jupyter Notebooks. But when it comes to code editors or IDEs, just pick one that you like, maybe even try Spyder if you want, and stick with that. Because as you spend more time coding in one environment, you'll get better and better and more used to it. So as a final exercise for this section, pick one of these code editors or IDEs and customize it to your liking. Make it just right. And once you do that, trust me, it's like every time you code, you enter your home with all your favorite tools, furnitures, and things. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.